All right, the first leg of the journey's done. So we got our take-up nut. Got the flats in there. It's beveled. I could use some stoning. And we've got our cap nut. So this is going to go on the very top. And this will go just like that on the drawbar. This one. Got this one totally stoned. Boy, it was laughing the whole time. Completely stoned. So it's not going to cut me up. We'll get these nice and hot. Drop them in some oil, get them quenched. And then work on the drawbar portion after we get the steel tomorrow. Hopefully they're open. They should be open. They're an industrial supplier, so they should be open tomorrow. Although it's cutting it close. 23rd is cutting it awful damn close. We shall see. If I can't have what I want, I'll forego it and probably use some all thread for the moment, but I'm really not that desperate. The old drawbar works just fine. It's just we're trying to improve things a little bit. So, I don't know. We got lots of time. We'll figure this out. Anyway, that's the drawbar for now. We'll have to do some fit checking and things of that nature. So we'll have to overcut the threads and trim and trim and trim. But that's the nature of guesswork, is you make it too big and then you trim it back. And it all works out. Or you do it over again and you do it until you get it right. So that's it for now.